The Great Migration River crossing in the Maasai Mara is one of nature's most dramatic spectacles. Each year, over 1 million wildebeest, along with zebras and gazelles, make their way from the Serengeti into Kenya's Mara in search of fresh grazing. At the Mara River, chaos erupts as the herds gather, hesitate, and then suddenly surge forward, plunging into the crocodile-infested waters. Strong currents, steep banks, and wading predators turn the crossing into a dangerous gamble. Not all make it to the other side. For those lucky enough to witness it, the scene is unforgettable, a raw, emotional display of survival, instinct, and the relentless rhythm of life in the wild.